Alrighty guys, it was dyno day today for the Mustang, and I'll just give you a quick recap on what we've got for an engine in here in case anybody's wondering. It's an LFA, which is essentially an LS2. It's an aluminum 6-liter Gen 4 pistons and rods come in it. It's like 11 point something to 1 compression. I can't remember now. It's just slightly lower than an LS2. It's got 317 heads, sloppy stage 2 cam, 4L80E with a Circle D converter. S480 here on a custom hot side that I made. It's got a 5-inch downpipe, and I was running a 4-inch fender exit out here. We've got a pretty small 3-inch Mishimoto intercooler buried down here, which actually seemed to work pretty good. I saw my intake air temps go from about 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 106 or so on my last pulls. Also worth noting here, we were running E85. It's actually came in at about E50, just pump E50. We got a MagnaFuel 4303 fuel pump, 40 pounds of fuel pressure base, and Bosch 210 injectors. So let's get to it. All right, so the first couple of hits, we kept finding around 500 to 570 wheel horsepower mark, which it seemed kind of low for the fuel flow, but we figured, okay, whatever, every dyno kind of reads a little bit different. So it seemed weird with how consistent the power numbers were, especially when we started turning up the timing. We weren't seeing big changes, but we were seeing increases in fuel flow. So we decided to try a little belt dressing on the wheels, and here's how that worked out. So all in all, 717 wheel. Very happy with that number. The car's taking almost 725, I believe, pounds an hour of E50. So make of that, what you'd like. But I'd say the horsepower number is maybe a little bit higher than what the dyno said, because we've just been fighting with spinning. But just for fun, at the end of the day, what we did is we threw on the quiet pipe. So we actually hooked up the full exhaust on the car, did one more hit on it, came out of that hit with 680 wheel at only 14 psi. Our 717 was actually at about 16 psi. So it seems like the car is still spinning on the dyno, but whatever. It's good enough, ready to go to the track. I'm very happy with the numbers it made.